Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to find your user ID in Discord. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Discord app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. So let's tap on this. Here, if you tap in this three dots in the top, you can see this option of copy username only for now. Now let's get back and scroll down to advanced. Now click on developer mode and turn this on. Now get back and scroll down, and if you tap on these three dots in the top, you can see this option for copy user ID, and you can simply copy your user ID here. So this is it. This is all you need to do to find your Discord ID in Discord. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.